Planting potatoes in a garden bed might seem simple, but doing it the right way can make a big difference in the harvest. It all starts with choosing the perfect spot. Potatoes thrive in sunlight, so the bed needs to be in a location that gets 6 to 8 hours of direct sunlight every day. This is not just a preference, it's a necessity. The sun's warmth helps the potatoes grow strong and healthy, making them more likely to produce a bountiful crop. Before putting the potatoes in the ground, it's important to get the soil just right. If the soil feels hard or compact, it's time to grab a garden fork or tiller. Loosening the soil makes it fluffy, which is key to giving the potato roots room to spread out. It also improves drainage, allowing excess water to escape so the roots don't stay wet for too long. This is important because too much water can cause the potatoes to rot before they even have a chance to grow. But soil alone is not enough to give potatoes what they need. To really boost their chances of success, adding some natural amendments can make all the difference. 3 things always go into the soil mix: fully decomposed compost, neem cake powder, and bone meal. Compost is packed with nutrients and organic matter, making the soil richer and helping it hold on to moisture. Neem cake powder not only adds extra nutrients, but also acts as a natural way to keep pests away. Then there's bone meal, which is full of phosphorus, a nutrient that helps the roots develop. These ingredients are mixed thoroughly into the soil, making sure the whole bed is evenly covered. When that's done, the soil is leveled out, creating a smooth surface for planting. The next step is to get the potatoes ready. Look for small sprouts, or eyes, on the potatoes. These eyes are the starting points for new growth. If a potato is big, it can be cut into smaller pieces, as long as each piece has at least 1 or 2 eyes. This allows for more plants to be grown from fewer potatoes, making the most out of what's available. After cutting, planting should be done immediately so the potato pieces don't dry out. When planting, dig holes about 3 to 4 inches deep. This depth protects the growing potatoes from sunlight, which can turn them green and make them unsuitable for eating. The spacing between the potato pieces also matters. For varieties that grow large potatoes, a gap of 6 inches is ideal. Smaller types can be spaced about 4 inches apart. This careful spacing ensures that each plant gets enough nutrients and space to grow without being overcrowded. With the potatoes in the ground, the next step is to cover them with soil and press it down lightly. Watering should happen right away to moisten the soil and help settle the potato pieces in place. Regular watering is crucial as the plants grow, especially during dry spells. Potatoes need steady moisture, but the soil should not be waterlogged. As the plants grow taller, more soil will be needed to cover the base of the stems. This technique, called hilling, keeps the potatoes from being exposed to sunlight as they form underground. It also supports the plants, helping them stay upright as they grow taller, and that's all it takes to get potatoes off to a good start. If you found this useful, share this video, give it a like, and subscribe to the channel. For more tips and tricks to boost your gardening skills, check out the other videos and see what else you can grow.